Again, welcome to our tutorial in AutoCAD. Today, we're going to learn the object snap in AutoCAD. When we say object snap, it is a tool that allows user to accurately select specific point on object when drawing or modifying elements. It will help in precision drafting by snapping the cursor to exact location, such as endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, perpendicular point, mode, and etc. That was our object snap. What are the uses of snap in AutoCAD? Object snap is very important in AutoCAD, especially for the users and at the same time the CAD drafters, to ensure that lines, circles, and other objects align accurately. It will help also to select exact point without guesswork. Next will be reduce the need for manual adjustment by automatically snapping to key point. It is useful also for trimming, extending, and moving object precisely. Then, for better alignment, it will ensure that objects are connected correctly also. That are the uses of object snap in AutoCAD. Now we have common object snap mode. So here we have the endpoint. It will snap to the endpoint of the line or an arc. Next will be midpoint. Snap to the middle point of a line or arc. Center, it will snap to the center of the circle or an arc. Next will be intersection. It will snap to the intersection of the two lines. Next will be perpendicular, that it will snap to the point perpendicular to another object. Next will be tangent. It will snap to the point where a line touches a circle or an arc. Quadrant, snap to the 4 key point. It can be 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees of a circle or arc. Last but not the least will be nearest. Snap to the nearest point of an object. Now, we go to this step and procedure on how to enable this snap. Now in our keyboard, we simply type OS, the shortcut key command of the object snap. Press enter or spacebar, and we will see in our settings the object snap. It's here. Okay, take for granted that this is not yet selected. Now to enable this one, we're going to manually select endpoint, midpoint, and click it OK. So that was our snap. Again, we will repeat. We will type OS in our keyboard, then press enter or spacebar to enable the object snap setting. Now, granted that object snap mode is not yet selected, the last method that we are going to use is we're going to select all the object snap modes using our mouse left click button, then click it OK.